friends, welcome to my channel. I have with English. Let's learn daily sentences. Rahul basketball player आहे. Rahul is a basketball player. Rahul is a basketball player. माझे बाबा रोज सकाळी मला कॉलेजला सोडतात. My father drops me to college every morning. My father drops me to college every morning. मी आश्चर्यचकित झालो. I was surprised. I was surprised. तू दमला आहेस का? Are you tired? Are you tired? कृपया ते फ्रीजमध्ये ठेव. Please put it in the fridge. Please put it in the fridge. आज खूप ऊन आहे. It's very sunny today. It's very sunny today. मी हस्ताक्षर स्पर्धेत पहिले बक्षीस मिळविले. I won the first prize in the handwriting competition. I won the first prize in the handwriting competition. तू तिच्या आईला भेटला का? Did you meet her mother? Did you meet her mother? मी तिच्या आईला भेटायला उत्सुक होतो. I was excited to meet her mother. I was excited to meet her mother. आम्ही स्टेडियमच्या जवळ राहतो. We live close to the stadium. We live close to the stadium. आज दुपारी लाईट नव्हती. There was no electricity this afternoon. There was no electricity this afternoon. आमची फ्लाईट सकाळी 8 वाजता आहे. Our flight is at 8 a.m. Our flight is at 8 a.m. तुम्हाला कोणाला भेटायचे आहे? Whom do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? हे कळल्यावर मला आनंद झाला. I'm glad to know this. I'm glad to know this. Goodbye friends. Like, share and subscribe.